Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Family Party, and this is a sweet little birthday card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Family Party, and we are going to be using To a Wonderful Niece, Happy Birthday, 5th, and I believe that is it. So we'll start with our stamping. And I have a piece from the Flowers for Every Season Memories and More. And I have the Bumblebee stamp. And I'm going to use To a Wonderful with the Bumblebee. And this is mounted on clear block G. So just like that, I'm going to go ahead and leave those open because we're going to stamp the inside of the card as well. And then Niece is also mounted on clear block G, and I'm using Misty Moonlight. So just like that, we'll put this to the side. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I think we're going to do Happy in the Bumblebee. And then 5th, and I have that both mounted on clear block B, and this was mounted on clear block A. And then we'll do Birthday, that's mounted on clear block B, and the Bumblebee. So just like that, and that is all stamping that we're doing. So let's start putting this card together. I have from the Memories and More pack, I have the bigger piece, and I just cut it down to 5 1/4. And we have this little strip. So I'm going to come in with my adhesive. All right, and then our card base is Misty Moonlight, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So before I do that, I have the Misty Moonlight ribbon here, and I just want to put that across there. All right, so just like that. And I think I'm going to bring this in here. Yeah. I don't want to waste this small piece, and if it stays in my office, chances are it will get lost. Just being honest. Okay, so I want it about right there. Give that a rub down. And then in the Memories and More pack, these beautiful flowers come in here, and they are stickers. So I think I'm just going to take this one and, oh yeah, I kind of like it right there. All right, so then we will put our Stampin' Seal down here. All right, so just like that. Then we're going to come in with the piece that we stamped at first, and then I have the edges from my dimensionals. Remember how I told y'all I like to use these pieces up too, especially on a bigger piece like this. And they work as the same as dimensionals. All right, so we'll put that down, and I'm going to come in with some embellishments. I have the enamel dots, and I am almost completely out of them. I absolutely love these so much. So, let's see. I think I'm just going to use a couple of these sporadically. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!